A U.S. judge has ordered Iran to pay billions of dollars in damages to the families of those killed in the 9/11 attacks on the Twin Towers. New York District Judge George Daniels ruled that Iran must now pay over $7 billion to the families of those who died during the attacks on the World Trade Center and Pentagon. He also said $3 billion must be paid to insurers. Earlier in the case, Daniels found that Iran had failed to defend claims that it had aided 9/11 hijackers, making it liable for damages caused by the attacks. RT correspondent Caleb Maupin reports.
The ruling is based on the fact that the 9/11 Commission report states that some of the hijackers visited the Islamic Republic of Iran a year prior to the 9/11 attacks and did not have their passports stamped. However, no evidence was presented that Iran or Hezbollah knew anything about the 9/11 attacks or that they were in on the planning or had anything to do with it. This is simply based on what was said in the 9/11 Commission report that some of the hijackers did visit the Islamic Republic of Iran. Now, the ruling gives $10.5 billion in damages. That comes out to roughly $2 million for every 9/11 victim, as well as about $3 billion to the insurance companies who took losses when the World Trade Center was destroyed. But it's interesting to note that the very same judge in this case who ruled that Iran was responsible and owed compensation to the victims of 9/11 had ruled that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was not responsible in a previous case. He has actually stated that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is not responsible, despite the fact that Zacarias Moussaoui, one of the convicted hijackers, has testified in federal court that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was involved in the planning. So there are many questions, and this presents new challenges for the Obama administration, which recently signed the nuclear agreement and is bringing Iran and the United States closer than ever before. So this presents many new challenges, and it is certainly going to put a strain on U.S.-Iranian relations.